Stop manually summing the same cell across hundreds of Excel worksheets. Here is a single formula to do that instantly. Instead of adding each worksheet name like this, you can see I have same values for the year, so I will multiply that by 4. You can see we have the same answer. Simply replace the sheet name with an asterisk and boom. Excel sums all the sheets in one single go. If I do same for any cell, we will have the same result. And the best part of it, drag the formula across the rows and columns like this. And we will finish off by pressing Alt and equals on your keyboard to calculate the total at the bottom of each column. What a game changer! Follow for more.